Find the next two terms and an expression for the nth term un of 3x, 9, 12, 15. And in second part, we have hence find a formula for the general term un of. Okay. So first part, you tell me, Rajveer.
Yeah.
Next two terms and an expression for the nth term un. Next term will be, we see that difference between two consecutive terms is 3. So next two terms, let's discuss a part. Next two terms are 18 and 21. Okay.
Yep.
And what about un? What will be the nth? What will be the nth term?
I'm trying to think. So it would be 2n. Sorry. Wait, no. It would be 3n.
How it is 3n?
Because that's the expression for the nth term. So it'd be n times 3. So the term 1 times 3 is 3. Then n2, which is the second term, 2 times 3 is 6. And then 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12.
Yes. By default, you got this. But what is the formula for getting an nth term?
Isn't that supposed? Wouldn't that be the formula 3 times n?
No, that is not the formula in any case. This is a plus n minus 1. 3 plus n minus 1 times 3. So it becomes 3 plus 3n minus 3. So by default, in fact, this was a special case where you got direct answer 3n. But in other cases, you have to use this formula to get the nth term. Okay, so let's discuss B part now. Part B. Find a formula for the general term un of the given sequences. Tell me for first one. What will be un? Why I have taken this book to for the practice in classwork, because even if the symbol will be different, you will get confused. We had been using an for the nth term. Suppose you are using an for the nth term, and all of a sudden you see un, so you can get confused over there, right? And if you are doing from the same type of book, same notation is being used, then it will be easier to do the sums. Now tell me what will be the nth term in first case?
It'd be 3n plus 1.
3n plus 12.
Plus 1.
Which formula you use?
The answer is 3n plus 1.
I'm not talking about the answer, Rajveer. I'm talking about how did you get it? How did you find it?
No, I just the same formula used before. You just use the arithmetic progression.
You just make me write. You just make me write on behalf of you. I'll be writing. Or if you can write over here. If you can write over here with a notation, then you can write over here. Else you can just dictate me what should I write over here.
Not allowing me to write.
Yes.
It's a 4 plus brackets n minus 1 times 3.
N minus 1 times 3. Yes, it is. So this will be 3n plus 1, obviously. Correct. In second case, it is 1 plus n minus 1 times 3 again. So this will be 3n minus 2, isn't it? Now tell me in
Yeah.
third case, in third part, what will be the nth term?
So, okay.
It is 1 over 5 plus n minus 1. And what is the common difference? What is common difference? 1 over 8 minus 1 over 5 is minus 3
Minus
over
1.
minus 3 over 40. And 1 over 11 minus 1 over 8 is minus 3 over 88. Okay. So this is not an AP. How will you get the nth term? Rajveer.
Then you'd find the common difference between those differences that we found.
Yes. Common difference. There is no common difference. And difference between two consecutive terms is different. So how will you be doing this? Yes. After a long effort, I finally got a book for you. Because see, doing sums, especially mathematics from book, is quite necessary because you have different kind of problems, different varieties of problems, so that you can just go through as per the syllabus. You can practice as per your syllabus. So how will you do this, Rajveer? See, here U term can nth term can be obtained just by observation. What about the first term? We have 1 over 5, okay, and then we have 1 over 5 plus 3. Then we have 1 over 8 plus 3. Then we have 1 over 11 plus 3. Okay. So what is happening? What is happening in each case?
Well,
what is happening in each case? If you see U1, the first term is what? 1 over 2 plus 3. Second term, U2. U2 is what? 1 over 6 plus 2. 8 is 6 plus 2. Just a minute. Let's write one by one. Okay. Suppose this question is being asked in the exam, so you will get confused until you practice such questions. And this is just the beginning of the chapter. That's why I always insist for the book, because in book you can find lots of questions for practice. U2 is what? U2 is 6 plus 2, isn't it? Let's write the first term. 3 plus 2. 6 plus 2. U3 is 9 plus 2. Isn't it? 9 plus 2.
Yeah.
1 over 5. We had 1 over 5, 1 over 8, 1 over 11, 1 over 14. So now U4 U4 is what? 1 over 12 plus 2. Okay. So every time what is happening? The first term is the multiple of 3, isn't it?
Yes.
It's multiple of 3. And 2 is being added every time. So if we continue for nth term, it will be what? 3 times n plus 2. So nth term will be un will be 1 over 3n plus 2. This will be the answer. Got it?
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Now let's do another question. We have exercise 26B in okay, just I'll send you this book later on. Okay, till you get the book that you have ordered, I'll send you this book. Exercise 26B, question 1. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence with nth term. So we will do just 3-4 questions from E. Let's do E part, F part, and I part. These 3 parts. Okay. So
Okay.
question 1E is un equals to minus 2n plus 1. You need to find the first 4 terms. Rajveer, tell me the first term. First term can be written as u1. What will be the first term? So we will just put n equals to 1, and then we will get negative 2 plus 1, that is negative 1. What is u2? U2 will be negative 2 times 2 plus 1, that is negative 3. U3 will be negative 2 times 3 plus 1, that is negative 5. And U4 will be negative 2 times 4 plus 1, that comes to negative 7. So 4 terms are negative 1, negative 3, negative 5, and negative 7. These 4 terms are there. What about nth term? Un. Un is given, in fact, with nth term. Okay. Nth term is given, you just need to find the 4 terms.
4 terms, yeah.
So I think this is quite easier one. You can do yourself. I'll send you the part of the book. Now coming to next question. Find a formula for nth term. Okay, yes. Okay, Rajveer. This is the third question. Find a formula for the general term un of the sequence. You tell me. What will be the un? A part. It's quite easier one. In fact, we will just use the formula for nth term, that is a plus n minus 1 u1 plus n minus 1 times b. So this will be 2 plus n minus 1 times 2. So this will be 2n, okay?
Yep.
In first case. And b first part. Find a formula for the general term un. Yes, tell me.
Okay. Oh.
Yes, Rajveer.
Yeah, I'm doing.
What will be the general term un? See, you just look you just need to observe the pattern, right? We have 4, 6, 8. So the difference between part A and part B1
2n
is that
plus 2.
in part 1 it starts with 2. So we have 2n. So let's write it 2n plus 2. Okay, this will be the ns term. And what about second part? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd natural numbers. So u1 will be 2n plus 1, isn't it?
Yep.
No. Let's write 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1.
Why would you?
2n minus 1. Okay. For n equals to, if you take n equals to 1, it is 1. N equals to 2, then it is 3. N equals to 3, then it is 5, and so on. Okay. Let's
Yep.
move. Yes. Now this question will be a little bit difficult for you. Yes, Rajvi. Question 6a. Find a general formula for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence, find the general formula for the given questions. Yes. Part A.
Yeah.
What will be the general formula for part A?
Well, it would just general formula for it would just be n.
Yes, it will be
Yeah.
n. Un is n. N. Okay. B1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Be n plus
Tell me
1.
the general formula. This will be n plus 1. Let's do sixth part, seventh part, eighth part, and ninth part. Sixth part. It's 3 over 1, 4 over 2, 5 over 3, 6 over 4, 7 over 5, 8 over 6, and so on. Yes, Rajveer, what will be the general formula for this?
Hold on. So,
General formula means finding nth term.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me. It's quite simple. Yes, Rajvi. It's n plus 2 divided by n, isn't it? Take n equals to 1, 1 plus 2, 3. And in the denominator, it is sequential number, means it is in order, natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So this is n plus 2 over n. Or you can write 1 plus 2 over n as this. Okay. Now, seventh part. Yes, tell me. What will be the general formula?
Okay.
What will be the general formula? It's quite simple. It's quite simple. See, if such questions are, if there is such question, then what you need to do, you just focus on first number first. First, we have to look at first number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. It is in order. Okay, it is consecutive. They are consecutive numbers. So consecutive natural numbers can be written as n. If you take n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 3, so on. And into n plus 1, isn't it? N into n plus 1. So this will be the answer.
So could you also not just say, could this not work as well? N squared plus n.
N square plus n will give the same number after you multiply both the factors. 1 into 2, 2 into 3. We need not to write in that way. We just need to write n into n plus 1.
Okay, but if I was to write it in that way, would it be wrong, or have to do it this way as well?
That would not be wrong. That would not be wrong. Because that will give the same thing. Na? That will give the same thing. And square plus 1 will give the same. But in that case, you have to write the sequence by multiplying both the factors. Means 1 into 2, 2, 6, 12, so on. Question number, we are doing question 6, 8th part. 8th part is 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay. 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5, and so on. Yes, Rajvi. What will be the general formula for this? I'm sure today's lesson will definitely give you some kind of confidence to do the sums, especially of those levels which you are preparing.
Yeah.
Previously, what was drawback? We were doing questions of the sequence, but even the notation and the pattern of the questions were different. Yes, Rajveer.
Yeah.
It's quite easy. See what I told you earlier. Look at the first digit, first number. It's 2, 3, 4 in order, but it is starting from 2. It's not starting from 1. Then what we will do? For first number, we will take n plus 1. And for And again, it is start. The second number is 3, 4, 5. That are the consecutive numbers, but it is starting from 3. So we will take n plus 2. So nth term will be n plus 1 times n plus 2. Do you understand?
Yeah.
N plus
Yeah.
1 times n plus 2. Now coming to, we will do 10th part as well. 10th part. 10th part is 1/3, 4/6, 7/9. Okay. 147, 147, 1/3, 4/6, 7/9, 10/12, and so on. Yes, Rajvil. What will be the general formula for this sequence?
I'm just trying to see. Hold on. So it's 3. Okay.
What will be the general formula for this sequence? It's quite, see, these questions are quite easier one. We just have started the chapter. However, we did 2 good sessions on AP, but still they were different questions. The pattern of the question today we are doing is different. Yes, Rajvi. It's quite easier. See what is happening. What I told you, if you have 2 numbers either in product or division, take one by one. First, take the numerator. In the numerator, what is happening? It is 1 plus 3,
Wait,
4.
I got it. I got it.
Plus 3, they are in AP. Okay. So if we just consider the numerator 1, 4, 7,
I have the
10.
formula. I've done it.
Yes, do it. See,
It's 3n minus 2/3.
Okay. How did you get it?
I just looked at the top row and the bottom row separately, and for the bottom one, it's 3n. And then for the top
And
one, it's 3n minus 2 because it increases like what? I don't know like how to explain it, but you can clearly see like
yes,
1
3n minus 2/3n. Yes, this will be the answer. Did you get the same?
Yep.
Okay. Great. Now we'll be doing the next question. Now we are just going to start geometric sequence. But before that, we'll do one more question. Okay. One more question we are doing. Then we will move to geometric sequence.
Okay.
Because course must move accordingly because you have less time. You don't have much time for that. That's why I'm very eagerly waiting for your book so that I can just make you understand from your book only as per the syllabus, as per the okay, this one. Find the general formula for each of them. We'll be doing these 4 questions, 4 parts. and then we will be moving to the geometric sequence. Okay.
Yep.
Tell me for first one, A part. Answer for A part. It's quite easy.
It's just n cubed.
Yes, it's n cube. That's it. 1 cube,
Yeah.
2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, so on. B part. B part.
It will be n cubed minus 1.
N cubed minus 1. 3. Yes, yes, it is. You got it. So you are on the right track now. And today I can see the confidence in you, in fact. Good. So it is n cube minus 1.
Yeah.
Now C part. Give me the answer.
C part would be okay. So
It's the pattern of this sequence is quite different. Okay, what is happening here? I'm just going to help you out. Okay,
no, I think I got it.
three, it's being double every time. Getting me?
Yes, it would not be okay.
I keep thinking. I give you the solution. Till then, think of the and get the answer. Yes, Rajveer. Now it just came into my mind. We were thinking of only arithmetic sequence. Have we ever thought of geometric sequence?
But we haven't done geometric sequence yet.
Yes. That's why we were not able to think it. You are absolutely right. Even I was not thinking in that direction. But
Hmm.
this is actually the case of geometric sequence. Okay, what is
Yeah.
happening in geometric sequence? Every next term is obtained by multiplying with the constant ratio. Okay, so here R is common ratio. R is called common ratio is 2, and the first term U1 or A is 3. So nth term Un is what? AR to the power n minus 1. That comes to 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1. So this will be the answer. Why even I was not able to give you the answer spontaneously? Because we were thinking about arithmetic sequence. We haven't bothered to think of the geometric part, right?
Yeah.
So this will be the correct answer. Now, if you put n equals to 1, then 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 3 into 1. If you take n equals to 2, then it is 6. So actually, this is geometric sequence. That's why we were not thinking in that direction.
Yeah.
Now come to D part. I think D part is the similar case. Here,
Yeah. I'm
D
not sure
part
what
is the similar case. It's the case. Now, since we have started thinking in that direction, we can easily find the answer. So D part is A is here. We have the first term U1 is 24, and common ratio R is half. Okay, so we have AR n minus 1. UN equals to 24, 1 over 2 to the power n minus 1. So this can be written as 24 over 2 to the power n minus 1. This will be the answer.
Hmm.
Okay. So now we shall be starting geometric sequence. In fact, so what is geometric sequence? In geometric sequence, each term is found by multiplying the previous one by the same constant term, same constant, as we did in the last two examples, last two questions. Every next term is being obtained by multiplying by 2 or multiplying by 1 over 2. So that was in geometric sequence. So we will just do a couple of questions today, and then we will do more questions on geometric sequence in the next class. And if you require, you can take more classes, as your mom also told me. Okay, you
Yeah.
can just message me. As soon as you complete your work, you can message me. I can schedule your classes accordingly. And this time you look more confident. Don't get scared about doing questions. If you are not able to do, in any case, just share your views with me. No need to be
Yeah.
worried, because you have less time. We do not have to. You do not have time to play with these things. List the 5 terms of the geometric sequence defined by this. 5 terms. We can just put, we will do just 2-3 questions. So I am just randomly picking E part,
But okay.
F part, and I part. These 3 parts. Okay.
Okay.
So 1E UN equals to 24 times half power n minus 1. We just need to put n equals to 1, U1 will be what? 24 into 1 over 2 to the power 0. That becomes 24. U2, 24 times 1 over 2, 2 minus 1, that becomes 12. U3 will be definitely what? 6. 1 over 2 and 3 minus 1, 2. So this is 6. So it will be 24, 12, 6, and then 3. These are the 4 terms. Can you tell me about F part? UN equals to 36, 1 over 3 to the power n minus 1. So if you take n equals to 1, then it is 36. U2 will be 36 times 1 over 3. So this will be 12. So what is happening actually? Common ratio is 1 over 3. So 4 terms will be like 36, 12, 4, 1. Isn't it? Not 3. Okay, 12 3 times, 4 3 times. And fourth term will be U4 will be what? 36, 1 over 3, 36 over 27. That comes to 4 over 3. This is 4 over 3. Okay, these are the 4 terms. And last one, I part, is UN equals to 8 times minus 1 over 2 to the power n. Minus 1 over 2 the power n. U1 is 8 minus half 1, that will be negative 4. U2, 8 negative half square, that is negative 1. So what is happening? It is divided by 1 over 4. What will be the third term? So it is minus 4, minus 1, minus 1 over 4, 1 over minus 1 over 16. These are the 4 terms. Yes, Rajveer.
Yeah.
Did you get it? Okay,
Yeah,
so I'll send some questions from this book only, and we will continue geometric progression. As I can see, there is no difficult questions. There are no difficult questions in the book. Just to get the 4 terms, general formula, like these questions only.
Yeah.
If this book is for AS level, as I just went through the even website and all, I found that this is for AS level. I'm not sure whether it is for AS level or not, but the questions are quite easier.
Okay.
So
yeah,
let's end today's session, and please do some questions. And I found more confident today. And
yeah.
if you do questions, you will gather more confidence on the topic as well.
Okay.
Take care. Bye.
So